Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen from your video project in DaVinci Resolve and replace it with whatever else you want. So let's check it out. So what we need to do is, of course, import videos onto our timeline. So what we're going to do is go and grab a video, import it onto our timeline, and then your video with your green screen in it, like this one, you're going to go and lay it over your main track. This is what it's going to look like. You can adjust this accordingly, and you need to make sure that this is selected. You also want to make sure that you have your video open so that you can actually see part of the green screen. We're going to go now to the bottom of the page, and you're going to look for Fusion. It's right next to the Edit tab, and once you tap on this, you'll have these settings open. Now, from here, what we want to do is over on the left-hand side, we want to look for effects, and if this effects tab is not open, you can just open it right at the top here, and we are going into the search bar over here, and we are going to look for delta keyer. So this effect over here, once you click on it, it'll automatically lay itself onto your video. Just make sure that it's selected. You can see that it's selected by the red outline, and here we're going to go up to the top right hand side. And here you can see a bunch of options. Now, the color picker over here, we're going to use this color picker. Now, if you're not able to use the actual color picker there, you can just open the background color. And here you can click on the pick screen color. And you can go ahead and click on that green space in your video and click on OK. You will see now that it is removed. Now, if you need to slightly adjust it either more or less so that the effect will take more or less of the green away, you can go to matte over here, and the very top dial, the threshold, you can run it up and down to see what it looks like on your video. For now, we're going to leave it as is, and we're going to go back to edit, and here you will see the video that is underneath, which is on your main track, is now where your green screen was before. And this is more or less what your result could look like. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.